Assalamualaikum. Hello, how are you? I'm happy. I'm okay. I'm fine. Alhamdulillah. So today, teacher want to teach you English. Okay, first, teacher want you to take this book, purple color. Okay, number two, reader number two. Okay, today. Teacher want you first. Teacher want you to open page 2. Okay, today teacher want to teach you how to say the words that have the at sound. Okay? Okay, teacher will teach you how to pronounce the words. Okay? And we're going to read this. Okay, first, let's read these words. Okay, read after me. At. One more time. At. 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 Very good. What is this? At. At. Okay, teacher want you to bite your tongue. At. At. Very good. Okay. First, who know what picture is this? What animal is this? Very good. Cat. At for cat. At for cat. At. Cat. Cat. What is this? Cat. Very good. Next. Hat. Hat. Who know what is this? Hat. Very good. Next. Rat. Rat. Very good. What is this? Rat. Good. Next. What is this? Yes, very good. Bat. Bat. Very good. Bat. Good. Next. What is this? Yes, very good. It's a cat. But you look at the cat. Is the cat is fat or skinny? Fat. 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 Last one. Mat. Mat. Very good. What is this? Mat. Very good. Can you read these words too? What is this? Pet. Pet. Very good. Set. Set. Very good. Okay, let's read one more time again. At. 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 Good. Cat. Cat. Hat. Hat. Very good. Rat. Rat. Bat. Bat. Fat. Fat. Last one is mat. Mat. Very good. Can read? Can read at words? Very good. Okay, next, open page 3. Open page 3. Okay, let's read this together. Can? Very good. Okay, first, teacher want to ask you, you know what is this? What is this? Yes, it's a mat. What? Mat. Very good. And you see, what is on the mat? You know what is this? What is this? Very good. Bat. Bat. Very good. So, the bat is on the mat. So now, okay, let's read this together. A bat. A bat. A mat. See? They have a bat and a mat. Very good. The colors of the mat is blue. Very good. This is purple and green. Okay. A bat. A bat. A mat. A mat. A bat on a mat. A bat on a mat. See? A bat on a mat. Okay, you know? Okay, dia kata bat ni, okay, pemukul kayu baseball ni ada dekat atas mat. Understand? Very good. Okay, next. What is this? It's a mat. Mat. This is a mat. And who know what animal is this? The grey color, what is this? Very good. Rat. Very good. Okay, now let's read this together. A rat. A rat. See? A rat. The mat. The mat. This is the mat. Very good. Next. A rat under the mat. A rat under the mat. Okay, it say the rat under the mat. Okay, you know what is under? Under di bawah. Dia kata tikus ni ada di bawah mat. Okay, one more time we read again. A rat, the mat. A rat under the mat. Can you read this? Very good. Did you know you can read this? And also this. Okay, teacher want you to read this on page 2 and this page 3. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you, class. Assalamualaikum.